you're encountering the Cloud Save Error 2026 in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or unstable connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Red Dead Redemption to completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the cloud and may resolve the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or the Rockstar Launcher, verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Clear cloud save data. Go to the settings of your game launcher and clear the cloud save data. This may help reset any issues with the cloud save system. Step 5. Reboot your system. Sometimes a simple reboot of your computer or console can fix temporary glitches. Restart your device and then try launching the game again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and get back to playing. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.